Most people unwrap a KitKat without thinking twice. Snap, bite, smile. But hidden behind that simple pleasure lies a world of precision, art, and secrets guarded for decades. What if every piece of chocolate you've ever eaten carried the story of thousands of hands, machines, and moments working in perfect harmony? Welcome to How It's Made Daily Channel, where we uncover the secrets of industries and how things of our everyday use are made. Today, let's take a deep dive into a chocolate factory loved by everyone and discover how the KitKat chocolate are made. Almost a century after its invention in 1935 by Rowntree's in York, England, KitKat has become one of the most popular and recognizable chocolate bars in the world. But here's a fact that surprises many chocolate lovers. The KitKat you eat in America is completely different from the one made in Europe. Globally, the brand belongs to Nestlé, yet in the United States, Hershey holds the exclusive rights to manufacture and distribute it. This unique collaboration combines Nestlé's original chocolate recipe, perfected over decades, with Hershey's advanced engineering and production technology. Together, these two chocolate giants operate massive, synchronized factories capable of producing over 5 million KitKat bars every single day, each one identical in flavor, texture, and that iconic, satisfying snap loved around the world. Inside the walls of Nestlé's chocolate factory, ordinary cocoa beans are transformed into something extraordinary, the silky, creamy KitKat that millions crave every day. It's not just chocolate. It's an engineering masterpiece disguised as a sweet treat. From the grinding of cocoa cakes to the final red wrapping, every step is a dance between science and passion. So get ready, because once you discover how KitKat is really made, you'll never look at a simple chocolate bar the same way again. The journey to create KitKat's irresistible chocolate begins long before the famous bars are wrapped in red. Deep inside the Nestlé chocolate factory, the air hums with the scent of roasted cocoa as solid cocoa cakes are crushed into an ultra-fine powder so soft it almost floats. It's the transformation moment, the raw essence of the cocoa bean becoming something greater, ready to carry KitKat's legendary flavor. You can almost feel the anticipation, as if the factory itself knows what's coming next. That delicate cocoa powder is combined with sugar, milk powder, and pure cocoa butter, the trio that gives chocolate its creamy soul. But it's not just about mixing ingredients. It's an art of precision, a recipe passed down through decades, protected like treasure. As the mixture swirls inside giant stainless steel vats, it's no longer just a blend. It's the foundation of KitKat's unmistakable taste. The emulsifiers bring silkiness, the cocoa butter melts like gold, and the liquid chocolate flows like a dream. Imagine dipping your hand in that glossy river of flavor. Every drop tells a story of craftsmanship, patience, and perfection. But the real magic? It's only the beginning of what makes KitKat one of the world's most beloved chocolates. Once the rich chocolate mix is ready, it enters one of the most fascinating stages: the conching. Inside massive steel drums, the mixture is stirred, kneaded, and warmed for hours. The friction smooths every grain of cocoa, releasing aromas hidden deep within. The air inside the factory is thick with the scent of roasted cocoa and sugar melting into harmony. Technicians monitor every vibration of the conching machine, as if conducting an orchestra of flavor. One extra hour can mean the difference between good chocolate and perfection. Imagine holding a bar of KitKat and snapping it in half. That satisfying sound, that melt-in-your-mouth smoothness. It all begins here. The conching process refines the soul of the chocolate, ensuring every bite feels like a small piece of art. But as soon as the flavor reaches its peak, the journey continues. Because chocolate this perfect still needs to meet its best friend, the iconic crispy wafer waiting to be wrapped in silky sweetness. After hours of refining, the smooth chocolate is ready to meet its other half. the crispy wafer that gives KitKat its legendary crunch. Inside the factory, a delicate ballet begins. Thin sheets of wafer are baked to golden perfection and layered with chocolate cream. They're stacked with precision and cut into perfect fingers, geometry meeting craftsmanship, each layer calculated to the millimeter. Then comes the most satisfying moment, the enrobing. The wafers glide under a waterfall of glossy chocolate, sealed in silky armor. Watching the process feels almost hypnotic. The rhythmic flow of chocolate and warm lights create harmony between machine and art. It's the heartbeat of the factory, calm, steady, and beautiful. As the chocolate cools and solidifies, the familiar shape emerges, the KitKat bar the world knows and loves. But before it's ready to be shared, one final step awaits, a ritual of precision where every bar is checked and perfected. As the freshly coated KitKat bars cool, a new rhythm takes over. Conveyor belts glide in perfect synchrony as rows of gleaming chocolate fingers move toward the wrapping stations. Machines wrap each bar in its famous red foil, the color of joy and nostalgia. Before packaging, each bar passes through meticulous quality control. Scanners and human eyes ensure every edge, every layer is flawless. Imperfect bars are removed instantly. Perfection is non-negotiable. The factory hums with pride, knowing that these small rectangles of delight will soon travel across the globe. Supermarkets, vending machines, corner shops, all waiting for the same sweet promise. Have a break, have a KitKat. Each bar carries a story of cocoa farmers, engineers, and dreamers who turned simple ingredients into global happiness. Somewhere, someone will unwrap one, snap it in half, and take that first bite without realizing the artistry behind it. Now you know that behind every simple KitKat bar lies a masterpiece of engineering, artistry, and patience. From the grinding of cocoa cakes to the wrapping of that shiny red foil, each step tells a story of precision and passion. Next time you break a KitKat in half, pause for a moment. Feel that crisp snap, taste that smooth chocolate, and remember the journey that brought it to your hands. A journey that spans farms, factories, and generations of craftsmanship. Every bite carries more than flavor. It carries history, innovation, and heart. So, which part amazed you the most? The silky chocolate flow or the perfect wafer layers? Share it in the comments. And if you love discovering how everyday wonders are made, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because here, at How It's Made Daily, curiosity never takes a break. See you in the next video, uncovering more secrets of the industries and showing you how things are made daily. Bye, and may God bless you.